The Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has finally launched its C-series phone in India called iQOO Z11 Turbo, with quite unique rear camera module. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Z11 Turbo features a tall 6.59-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10+ certified, and it is protected by shot shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 829 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the iQOO Z11 Turbo sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. And both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7600 mAh battery, with 100-watt super flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16, based on Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.61 by 74.42 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z11 Turbo has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Polar Black, Skylight White, Halo Pink, and Sanlong Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z11 Turbo smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.